Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question, it is the chemical properties of ether. Yesterday we also take the first point in the chemical property of ether called is what here? The laboratory test for the ether. So first point A we discussed yesterday, that is called as the what? Laboratory test for ether. You know, ether, it does not react with any acid, any base or any oxidizing agent or any reducing agent in aqueous medium, because what here, the ether is a what here? Neutral in nature. But at laboratory test we discussed the point here, but point number second B we discuss today here the reaction involving the alkyl group of ether. What here? The point number B we discuss here the what? A reaction involving alkyl group of ether. It means in this chemical properties the reaction take place on the alkyl group, so it is called as a reaction involving alkyl group of ether. यानी रिएक्शन जो इथर ग्रुप की काय पे होगी? अल्किल ग्रुप पर होगी. इसे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग बेटा? रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग ग्रुप ऑफ इथर. यानी रिएक्शन में हम लोग अल्किल ग्रुप का यूज करेंगे और उसके ऊपर कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्ट करेंगे, उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग क्या? रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग अल्किल ग्रुप ऑफ इथर. नाउ इन द बी we take the point number first, formation of peroxide compound. It means in this topic we added oxygen in the ether, so it is called as the formation of peroxide compound. We take the reaction when a ether, it is called what here? Diethyl ether. Why diethyl? Because both two are same. How many carbon? 2 carbon. Here how many carbon? 2 carbon. How many H5? How many H5? It means this two is called as what here? Diethyl ether. Okay. So when a diethyl ether or it is a simple ether is react with oxygen in presence of air. Air contain what which gas here? Oxygen. So this oxygen are added toward this carbon atom. So what we get? We get here this CH3, this CH3, this CH, this CH, and the remaining one H attached to oxygen as a OH. This is called as what here? It is called as peroxide diethyl ether. So when the ether, it means diethyl ether is react with oxygen, it form the peroxide or diethyl ether. It is called as what? The formation of peroxide in the which reaction? A reaction involving the group alkyl group of ether. यानी जो ऑक्सीजन कहाँ पे ऐड किया हमने? अल्किल ग्रुप पे ऐड किए, इसे बोलते हैं हम लोग क्या? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पेरोक्साइड कॉम्प्लेक्स. Only we added two oxygen between the what here? This carbon and hydrogen, we get this compound peroxide diethyl ether. It is a what here? The formation of peroxide compound. Now we do the third here, a reaction involving the CO bond. It means in the ether it contain which bond here? ROR bond. So reaction take place in the which bond here? ROR bond, or what here? R is replaced by CH3. It is called what here? CO bond. क्लियर? अब रिएक्शन क्या होगी बेटा? यहाँ पर ईथर का जो CO बॉन्ड है उस पर रिएक्शन होती है, उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग क्या? रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्व द CO बॉन्ड. क्लियर? नाउ वी टेक द पॉइंट नंबर फर्स्ट इन द C पॉइंट हियर, रिएक्शन विथ हॉट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड कॉल्ड एज द H2SO4 or hydrolysis. What here? Hydrolysis. So in this point we take here the reaction with hot sulfuric acid or hydrolysis. So we take the example here. What? So when what here? Ether. What we take here? Ether. So when ether means ROR is react with water molecule. When alcohol is react with water molecule in presence of H3O positive as an acidic catalyst. In this reaction, this H attached to what here? This oxygen. So what we get? We get ROH plus ROH. It means two molecules of alcohol. It means when alcohol is when a ether is react with a water molecule, it form the two molecule of alcohol. So it is called as the what here? The hydrolysis of ether or reaction with a hot sulfuric acid. in presence of what here, hot sulfuric acid, and reaction involve the CO bond. ये जो CO bond है बेटा, ये bond देखो, तो ये जो O है ना, इस R called as CH3, ठीक है. अगर हमने यहाँ पे R को चेंज किया CH3 से, तो what we get here? So in this reaction HOH is react. Okay, clear? So what we get? We get a same what here, CH3O OH CH3OH. It means 2 molecule of what here, मिथिल अल्कोहल. यानी रिएक्शन का भी हो रही है, दिस CO बॉन्ड पे हो रही है रिएक्शन, ये CO बॉन्ड, ठीक है. इट मीन्स व्हेन द ईथर इज रिएक्ट विद वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ हॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, हाइड्रोलिसिस टेक प्लेस, इट फॉर्म द व्हाट हियर, 2 molecule of alcohol. It is called as what here, the reaction with hot sulfuric acid or hydrolysis of ether. It means hydrolysis means addition of water molecule in the ether called as the hydrolysis of ether. It form the alcohol. Clear beta? It is the point number C, first point. Now we take the point number second. In the C, a reaction involves the breaking of CO bond. So reaction with PCl5. PCl5 called as the phosphorus pentachloride called as the PCl5. So when the ether, what we take here beta? When the ether ROR, general formula of ether, is react with a PCl5 in presence of heat. In presence of what is heat? In this reaction, one Cl attached to R. So what we get here? We get RCl plus second Cl attached to R. We get RCl. It means 2 molecule of alkyl chloride, and then remaining, how many Cl remaining? 3 Cl, 1 P or 1 O will be goes as POCl3. What here? POCl3. Clear beta? It means when a ether, what here beta? Ether is react with phosphorus pentachloride in presence of heat. What we get? We get a 2 molecule of alkyl chloride and loss of second what? Phosphonyl chloride or POCl3. Clear beta? It is called a reaction with a PCl5. Okay. Now we take the reaction number third. In the C point, what here? A reaction involves the CO bond. So we take the word reaction with HX. HX is called as what? Halogen halide, or it is called as the halogen acid. So reaction with acid or reaction with what? HX. HX is called as what? Hydrogen halide or what here? Hydrogen acid. So ether means ROR is react with HX. Is X replaced by the I, HI. Clear? So in this reaction, it form the alkyl halide or depend upon the group. Here this X, what here? X indicate what here? F, comma Cl, comma Br, comma I. All these atoms are what? Electronegative in nature. This X replaced by which atom? We take their I. Okay. So when this ether is react with hydrogen iodide, so this iodine is react with oxygen. Sorry, this iodine is react with what here? Alkyl group. So what we get? We get Ri called as the alkyl iodide. The remaining part are joined together. So what we join together? This R, this O, this H will be goes as ROH. It means when a ether is react with, when a ether is react with HI called as hydrogen iodide, in presence of heat, it form the alkyl iodide. What here? Alkyl iodide and alcohol. What we take here? Alcohol. ठीक है बेटा? यानी रिएक्शन में HX में क्या होता है कि इसमें दो चीजें मिलती है, एक व्हाट हियर द अल्किल हैलाइड एंड सेकंड इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर अल्कोहल. क्लियर? ओके. द रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ halogen halide is depend upon the following sequence. So the HI is a higher greater reactive than HBr, then third HCl, more reactive which are HI. So HI is highly reactive toward the ether. It form the what? Alkyl iodide and alcohol. Clear beta? Now next reaction, last reaction we take here. So last reaction we take the what? Aryl alkyl ether. What here? It means when a aryl alkyl ether is react with HX, what here HX or hydrogen halide. ठीक है, so we take the formula benzene, what we take the here benzene attached to which here the iodine and this CH3, it is called as what here aryl, this ring called as aryl, then this CH3 called as alkyl and this O called as ether. So it is called what here what here aryl alkyl ether, or the special name is called as what here anazole. What here anazole. So the anazole is react with HI, hydrogen halide or hydrogen iodide, in presence of heat. In this reaction the bond break in between this C और O. ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ रिएक्शन कहाँ पे होगी बेटा, ये जो CO बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा और वहाँ पर क्या ऐड होगा, ये CO बॉन्ड ऐड होने ब्रेक होने के बाद यहाँ पे क्या क्या प्रिपेयर करते हो यहाँ पे, दिस H attached to oxygen and this I attached to CH3. So what we get? So we get a benzene, what here beta, benzene attached to OH called as what here, so it is called as what here phenol. What here phenol, and loss of CH3 called as methyl iodide. What here methyl iodide. It means when anazole or what here aryl alkyl ether is react with HI, in this reaction the breaking of CO bond, क्योंकि टॉपिक हमारा वही चल रहा है, C क्या है, reaction involve the breaking of CO bond. So breaking of this OCH3 means C bond break and the H attached to what here, which charge oxygen, and the what here attached to CH3. What we get here phenol, and it is called as what here methyl iodide. The second name of phenol is what? The second name of phenol is also called as the carbolic acid. ये याद रखना है बेटा, ठीक है. So in this way we finish the chemical properties of ether. It means chemically how the ether is react with a different chemical. So we started today. What we take the reaction involve the alkyl group of ether. It means the alkyl group is react with the what here another compound of ether. So first point, formation of peroxide compound. So when a diethyl ether is react with oxygen is in presence of air, this oxygen are react to the alkyl group to form the what here the peroxide diethyl ether. Okay, further we take the C point, reaction involve the CO bond. यानी अब रिएक्शन का भी देखिए हमने CO बॉन्ड पे कि CO बॉन्ड का जो ब्रेक कैसे होता है, तो CO बॉन्ड के अंदर पहला पॉइंट क्या देखा, रिएक्शन विथ हॉट H2SO4 और इट्स आल्सो कॉल्ड अबाउट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. We take the hydrolysis, means addition of water molecule. So ether is react with the water molecule, it form the what here 2 molecule of alcohol. It means the breaking of CO bond take place and added a water molecule to form the 2 molecule of alcohol. Similarly the reaction CH3O CH3 are replaced by CH3. So we take the dimethyl ether is react with water molecule, it also form the 2 molecule of methyl alcohol. Clear? Next reaction with PCl5. So ether is react with the PCl5, it form the 2 molecule of alkyl chloride and loss of POCl3. Next point number C, the third point, a reaction with HX. HX called as what, hydrogen halide or hydrogen acid. ठीक है. So this ether is react with HI, in presence of heat it form the alkyl iodide and alcohol. The reactivity of alkyl halide, reactivity of HI is higher than HBr than HCl. Next aryl alkyl ether, it means it's called the special name anazole, is react with HI, it form the phenol and loss of methyl iodide. So in this way we finish the what, the chemical properties of ether, how the ether is react. ठीक है बेटा, अभी हमारे इस यूनिट के 2 पॉइंट बाकी है. पहला पॉइंट बाकी है, इसके बाद का केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ ईथर तो हो चुका है हमारा. अभी इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ऑफ ईथर वो कैसे होती है, 3-4 रिएक्शन वो दिखेगी. और लास्ट में यूजेस ऑफ अल्कोहल फिनॉल ईथर, यानी कि ये एक लेक्चर में ये पूरा फिनिश हो जाता है फिर. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो आप जो है तो मुझे कॉल कर सकती है और आपको सभी को ये नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है. क्लियर है, ये यूनिट जो फिनिश होने वाला है बेटा, 1 या 2 लेक्चर में जो लास्ट टॉपिक है फिनिश करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.